Hey, this is me playing around with a Arduino Nano. So you see I have it set up and I'm just doing a digital out to flash an LED. The capacitor isn't doing anything in the circuit, it's from one I built before. It's interesting, here's one that isn't put together, so I had to solder the headers on, which I'm not very good at, but it was actually pretty easy. I watched a guy do it on YouTube and he actually just jammed the headers into a mini breadboard and then solder them like that, so it really helped out a lot. From what I've read, it's pretty well the same capabilities as the Uno, but there's actually more pins available on the Nano, and obviously a lot smaller, and lacks the external power jack, so have to rig up something to go straight to the pins. The other issue with it was the drivers weren't recognizable by Arduino Create or the IDE. And basically there's a gentleman who posted a nice blog, and I'll post that. It's because these chips or these microcontrollers, they're cheap knockoffs, so they don't use an FTDI, they use a CH340G, which requires different drivers. So they did post the drivers, and some people have a GitHub where they've made changes because before they were crashing kernels if you were running on OS X Sierra. But all in all, get the drivers, solder on the headers, and we have a fully functional mini Arduino. Pretty neat.